In today's video, I will be showing you how to insert date and time in Microsoft Word. In case you want to insert the date and the time, you have two ways of accomplishing this. The first way is by using the keyboard shortcut. How do you use it? Simply press Alt-Shift-T to insert the current time, alright? Or press Alt-Shift-D to insert the current date, okay? So this is the first way in which you can insert date and time. The second way, let me remove this, is by going to Insert. Once you go to the Insert tab, head over to the text group section right over here and select date and time. Once you select it, you will see various date and time formats that you can use. So just come and choose the format that you prefer. So I'll just choose this one. And if you want to set this format as a default, simply press Set as Default. And once you are satisfied with everything, just go ahead and select OK. And before you select OK, Microsoft Word will ask you, do you want your time and date to update automatically every time you open your Word document? If so, you'll check this box. And once you are OK with everything, simply press OK. And that format will be applied. And that is simply how you insert date and time in Microsoft Word. If you have found this video helpful, please make sure to leave a like and please make sure to subscribe. It will be highly appreciated. Thank you for watching and good luck.